Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for the vehicles listed below. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift up your vehicle. Our part features 2 perforated plates you can remove to fit over your existing rear body mount and rear shock mount. If you decide to keep your mounts, remove the plates this time. If not, remove your rear body mount and rear shock mount. Step 3. Draw a line approximately 5/16 to a half an inch above the bottom of the frame and cut along it. Then, grind the frame free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Paint the part with a weld-through primer to help prevent against rust development. Step 4. Slide your rear frame section onto the frame and tap it into place using a hammer. Use the frame holes to help with the alignment. C-clamp your part into place to ensure a tight fit. Then, following proper welding procedures, tack weld your rear frame section onto the frame before welding the part on fully. Step 5. If you removed your rear body mount or rear shock mount, we show you how to reinstall it with our installation videos on our YouTube channel. Finally, paint the part with primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. We recommend our Rustbuster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Then you're done.